Hello everyone! Today, we shall explore yet another pavilion that will remain at Expo 2020 site. Let us watch the trailer, shall we? Now that you have seen, I am sure you know which pavilion we are going to explore today. The Mobility Pavilion is named Alif, after the first letter of the Arabic alphabet, which represents the start of progress and new horizons. Alif is one of Expo 2020 Dubai's 3 flagship pavilions, with the sub-themes mobility, sustainability, and opportunity as its sub-themes. The display sections are separated into 3 key zones on the inside, each of which forms a petal in the trifoil layout. Giant photorealistic sculptures, the world's largest elevating platform and highlights of the UAE's space program are among the attractions set to amaze visitors to Alif. Meet the larger-than-life, 9-meter-tall historical giants of mobility whose innovations helped navigate the world and paved the way for the technology we use today. Don't they look like real people? The world's largest passenger lift, capable of holding more than 160 people, welcomes visitors right into the center core. This moving platform transports visitors to the 3rd level, from which they can descend to the lower ground floor via interconnected galleries, where they can enjoy new, immersive, and interactive visitor experiences centered on mobility. After Expo 2020, the Mobility Pavilion will continue in legacy, becoming an integral element of District 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down your most favorite pavilion at Expo. To receive more recommendations, make sure to subscribe to get weekly travel suggestions within UAE.